Hello friend, I am RK from Bardwan, West Bengal. Let's have a look of my small rooftop garden. Here different types of plants are there. These are some the hibiscus plant. For nourishment, I use Utkarsh fertilizer. Different type of Utkarsh fertilizer NPK I use. These are the small hibiscus tree of tropical variety. Some deshi varieties also there. The Madhu community, the roses, different type of roses in the soil media. Let's have a look. Some roses, rose plant up in cinder media. For their nourishment, I use NPK 19-19-19 of Utkarsh, 0050 of Utkarsh, 052-34 of Utkarsh. Some hibiscus. Let's have a look. The gardenia plant of my garden, small rooftop garden. One of my friend advised me to use Utkarsh fertilizer. Utkarsh fertilizer, Utkarsh micronutrient, Utkarsh ka huminose, some lemon trees I have grown in my small rooftop garden. The shuli flower, some roses in the soil media. Utkarsh. Now, this is the time for pruning and mulching. After 1 month, I will go for mulching and I will use the Utkarsh mycorrhiza, Utkarsh microbes and Utkarsh root multiplier. Thank you, friend.